Today we're going to bring a workout area. This is a punching bag slash kickboxing area too. So if you guys can see, this is pretty much what you get, all right? You have to fill this up with water. We just did right now. So we're going to go ahead and start setting up the whole system. This is the top of that. You're going to have to remove this in order to get access to the top and then fill it up with water. So let's go ahead and put it together and see how it looks and start using it. So we're gonna fill it up with water. This is one of the main critical steps before you start even putting it together. So just make sure you fill it up with water so you can make it heavy. It won't tilt over, and then you put the cap, all right? So this thing is pretty good for a workout. It has this retractable spring right here. You can lift it higher to your level if you want. This part's for kicking. All right. Now the great thing about it that they give you is that they give you suction cups. If you have a hardwood floor, you could actually put these underneath. But because I'm in the concrete area, I don't have to do anything. It's a great workout. To be honest with you, for the next couple minutes. And if you miss the stain system, there's a rubber end here. This is actually carbon fiber, and then the rest of it is metal. And this is for kicking too. So for women, men that are doing self-defense classes or just want to train and work out and lose some weight, it's a great workout. Very simple to use. I hope you guys enjoy. It's hard to hit.